Today, we're diving into some essential tips on maintaining your Lennox furnace. Regular maintenance not only ensures your furnace runs efficiently, but also extends its lifespan. Before performing any maintenance, make sure to turn off the power to your furnace. You can do this by switching off the furnace at the breaker panel. Firstly, inspect and replace your air filter. A clean air filter is crucial for furnace efficiency, preventing your system from working overtime. Replace your filter every 1 to 3 months, particularly during peak usage periods. With a clean filter, your furnace can breathe easily again. With the power off, it's time to inspect and replace the air filter. A clogged filter restricts airflow, making your furnace work harder and less efficiently. Most experts recommend changing your filter every 1 to 3 months, especially during heavy usage periods. Next, let's move on to the blower assembly. Dust and debris can accumulate here, reducing efficiency and causing wear and tear. Use a soft brush or a vacuum to clean around the blower assembly. Now let's check the furnace's flame sensor. A dirty flame sensor can cause the furnace to malfunction. Locate the flame sensor, remove it, and gently clean it with a fine abrasive pad. Once it's clean, reinstall the flame sensor. Another important aspect of maintenance is checking the furnace's vents and exhaust pipes. Make sure they're clear of obstructions and debris to ensure proper airflow and safe operation. If you spot any issues, it might be time to call a professional. Lastly, don't forget to schedule an annual professional maintenance check. With these simple steps, you can keep your Lennox furnace running smoothly and efficiently. Visit our website PartsHnC for all your HVAC replacement parts needs.